at 90 opposite bar.
So, sorry guys, I was getting that good. Alright, well, I'm Zach the Manimal Pimpson, 19 from Sarasota, Florida. Gotta take a quick. That green BMX life juice you got. So, purpose of this video is for a bike check. Right now we're going to start off the front end of this tank over here. We got, starting up high, we got those airplane wide standard bars. And then just holding them nice and tight and like onto them forks that I've got. We got a Fly Moscow stem, about 4 or 5 years old right now, and it's still holding tank like. So we're doing good. We got the Fit Blade 2s on there, shiny like and whatnot. We're just keeping it fresh, the fresh. We got that big old Demolition Momentum tire, 2.35. Ain't got no clearance in that low life zombie. We got that G Sport Plague up there, holding nice and fancy like, and that Bandero 2 hub female all day. And Primo 7000 series wheel rim on that, I'm sorry. And we'll move a little bit this way and get to the main attraction of the Empire. Is the Deco 21-inch frame. Making it look really extra good and whatnot is that big old gangrene BMX sticker. And that is my crew, that is my life, son. And then we go up high to a big old raggedy beat up Shadow Slim to an S&M clamp, and then we'll get down here a little bit. Some seasoned cranks that I've been riding for a couple years that have done me nothing but good and strongness. And back over here is this McNeil silencer, 25 tooth with a multicolored shadow chain, all trying to do it right. Some new plastic pedals from Odyssey. We got a big Duo BMX tire back here that's holding up terrific. Nice, thin and light, and decently cheap. You should check that out. That's where it's at right now. The back wheel is a Odyssey 7KA lace to a Primo mix. That's actually a 4-year-old back wheel, and I have yet to take it apart. It has been serious. It has been a serious tank-like maneuvering wheel. Been through hard, but then we'll finish it off with this brand new G Sport Gland that I got and a good old Steely peg. Gangrene BMX, son!